So we got the MAXTON front lip installed yesterday, and it's looking real nice. So the MAXTON kit is complete on the car. We finally got a chance to get the car washed too, so it is looking really nice. We did go with the MAXTON version 2, so the MAXTON V2 for the canards, the side skirt, and the front lip as well. And it all has this finish, gloss black. I always had carbon fiber on all my cars. I wanted to shy away from the carbon fiber on this car. I wanted to go with a gloss black, that way it matches the mirror caps, the grille, the vents, all in gloss black. And I think the kit looks really good. All MAXTON, all gloss black. And this is the full view of the car. I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. The car looks really good as well. Got it nice and washed yesterday. Finally got some sun. No rain. It is expected to rain today, but no rain today at all so far. So this is what the car is currently looking like. Looking to get the exhaust replaced with a quad tip, and we're looking at AWE's tracked valve exhaust because the exhaust on this car is too quiet.